footage has emerged that could expose secret alien projects being carried out in Britain, according to wild claims online. This video clip was shared on the popular YouTube channel The Hidden Underbelly 2.0 yesterday, with the title, "Jet Caught Being Escorted by 4 UFOs." The video, captured in Middlesbrough on April 5, shows a number of unidentified flying objects in the sky. 4 of them appear to be small jet planes with a round shape to them. The leading jet in the front seems much larger in size, and shaped like a triangle. According to a witness, only the triangle-shaped plane at the front could be heard. The anonymous source revealed, "While walking home from a friend's house around 7 p.m., I noticed some dark objects in the sky. At first, I thought it was a flock of birds, but soon noticed that it looked like some sort of military plane flying in a slightly curved path followed by 4 small, round objects. I watched them for around 1.5 minutes before losing sight of them in the distance. There was only the sound of the plane as it passed by." There is an ongoing conspiracy that governments around the world, including the United States and UK, use secret, highly classified bases to test reverse-engineered extraterrestrial technology. One of these is rumored to be a silent aircraft known as the Black Triangle. Viewers of the video were left speculating what it could be. One comment said, "Definitely a bit odd. Could Britain have a highly classified base in Middlesbrough?" And another simply added, "Aliens." But a third had a more reasonable explanation, stating it could be some kind of mid-air refueling operation.